So it's October 3rd, and here is our greenhouse that is close to completion. It might not look like it, but it's getting there. So first off, in this front, you can see we do have insulation that is blocking it, plus the soil, so that should keep it a little bit warmer inside. We will have a rain gutter that goes along the front side, which is about 32 foot long. This is the greenhouse frame that we got off of Craigslist, and we modified it to just have the glazing on the front. So it'll all have 5mm tempered glass, so it will have real glass glazing on it. There's a drip line on the top. So the outside sheathing is going to be just galvanized tin. We do have some windows that will be opening and closing. For now, those will just be manual, but hopefully someday they will be automatic. This front area will have a sliding glass door with the aluminum frame. There's water barrels. We come inside. We have two beds. This one is about 42 inches wide. And then this one over here is 29 inches wide, but plenty big enough for what we have to grow. Now, to hold back all that soil, we just use the galvanized tin, and then we put the 4x4 posts to hold it back with some rebar. And this is a raised bed on this side. It's about 8 inches deep to match the concrete blocks that we have. And it does have a slight slope that goes from the back side to this front side. So all water will drain out towards the front. These are our water barrels. They are 15-gallon water barrels that were used to have dairy products in them. So we got those off of Craigslist. Again, they're 15-gallon. They're going to be two stacked on top of each other. So according to the glazing that we have and how much water, that should hopefully keep the greenhouse a more constant temperature during the summer and the winter. As the quick wall glazing along the back, it worked really well to help stabilize our concrete walls. There's the wall. Over here we have two more windows that we'll be able to manually open. So we are going to be putting up, let's all cover together, we'll be putting up 2-inch styrofoam on the ceiling, and it already has it on the back side. And after that we will be spraying it with spray foam, so it should have a complete thermal barrier between the outside and the inside to hopefully keep this greenhouse nice and warm in the wintertime. To combat, to make sure that this glazing, which is pretty heavy since it's true glass, we did put up some turnbuckles. You can see up there, there's a turnbuckle that's attached there with a wire that comes down, and it is connected to the cement wall. So it makes sure that we will not have undue pressure on the other side of the greenhouse. Plus we will have these stabilizer bars in here to make sure that everything is stabilized. And that is how far we're getting. So today we're adding in some more styrofoam 2-inch in between each one of those studs.